What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from the Deberoo Suite, and in this video we are going to create a landing page for a sweepstakes offer. So let's dive in. Alright, here we are inside the Deberoo Suite, and today we are going to create a landing page for a sweepstakes offer. And for today's sweepstakes offer, we're going to make use of a offer from Gotzha right here. So I already have it. It's a US campaign and it's a PS5 sweepstakes, single opt-in. So let's take a look at the offer page. So let me copy this right here, just to get a better understanding of what kind of flow they use on the offer page itself. And it is very important to keep a coherent flow. So you want to check out what the offer page looks like so that you can create a flow on your landing page that will play in on whatever is happening on the offer page. Alright, so let's take a look. Alright, so it looks like it's a small quiz. Do you want the hottest new PS5? Yes, of course. How do you plan to use the PlayStation 5? Keep it or give it to a friend. And about how many times do you go shopping per week? I don't really get that last question, as it isn't really relevant to the PlayStation 5, but whatever. And that's the third and last question, and here we are. So right here is the single opt-in with the email address. So that's basically where we're gonna keep it right here. I don't want to get a lot of spam in my email address, so in my email inbox, so I'm not gonna fill this in, but right here the user will fill in their email address and perhaps some more information after sending their email address. So let's see, is there anything else on here? All right, that's all fine. All right, let's just do it. Let's just go. Let's go back to the Deberoo Suite, and we are going to go to the advertising suite, and we're going to use the landing page builder, of course. And let's go to the landing page templates. A full list of all the different templates inside the Deberoo Suite, and we are going to filter by vertical, and we're going to select the sweepstakes vertical. Alright, so now we have all the landers that have been optimized for sweepstakes offers. And let's see, so we have quite some different ones right here. Quite a lot of quizzes. So we have the branded quiz. Right here we have a quiz lander, another quiz lander here. Then we have the advertorial that is not used very much on the sweepstakes, but it's a very good, effective way of promoting your sweepstakes offer. This one specifically, or at least the template, has been used for a credit card trial, which we do not have. It's just a single opt-in, not a credit card submit. There we have a spinner, an envelope quiz in which you can select an envelope, a scratch box in which you need to scratch open one of the boxes to reveal the prize, user feedback quiz. The ClickBank quiz is back. So a lot of different affiliates asked for this specific lander, and now it's actually back. It's used a lot for the battery recon. That's where the template was originally used for. But of course you can use it for a lot of different offers. And then we have the fake delivery credit card trial quiz. But we're gonna make use of one of these quiz landers, and let's go ahead and use this one right here. So what I'm going to call it is I'm going to call it USA, since that is the geo in which we can promote this specific offer. And then I'm just going to call it PS4 Sweepstakes. All right, let's press create. And here we are inside the lander. So of course we want to change quite a lot of text here, as this template was originally used for a iPhone 8 sweepstake, but I'm going to start out with this image right here. So let's get an image of a PlayStation 5. Alright, images. This one looks pretty cool. right. This one looks dope as well, but there's not a lot of contrast in the image. Not that that's a very bad thing on a lander. Contrast is more important on the creative than it's on the lander, but still I want a picture that pops out a little bit more. This one is pretty cool. Ooh, this might work. Let's see. I like this one as well, but I think I like this one better. All right, let's, this looks dope as well. Let's use this one right here. We're gonna save this image. That's a web file, so let me cancel that and find another one. See more, that way we can see some related images. What if we do win PlayStation 5? It looks dope. All right, pretty cool. Well, I don't really like the way that the PlayStation 5 itself is pictured right here. Let's see if we have some other ones. No, let's go back and nope. This one would be okay, but there's a date right here, so we cannot use that one. Let's see. Let's use this one right here. We're gonna save this image, and this is a JPEG, so that's perfect. And what I like to use is Canva. All right, and create a new design and edit photo. This way I don't necessarily have to change the dimensions of the image, but I can still make some adjustments to it. So what I like to do with my images is create a little bit of that pop feeling, all right? So create a little bit more contrast. So I'm gonna select the image and click on adjust. And then right here, I like to play around with these different buttons, all right? So there's no real way what's best for your picture, how you should do it. But as you can see, the red starts to become brighter, making it pop a little bit more. So that's the goal basically of doing this. And once again, there's no real way of like, okay, this works, this doesn't work. It's just that I just play around with it, all right? I just play around with it until I feel like, okay, this way it's the best. The blur is usually, for me, usually in the minus to create sharp lines, basically. All right. Let's see. I think this is good. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Let's call it PS5 Sweep. Just for my own documentation so that I know where to find it and I know what to use it for. And then let's go back into the landing page builder and we're gonna double click on the image, drag the new image in, and perfect. All right. We're gonna make it a little bit bigger. Whoops, that's not very nice. Perhaps we just need a different size. So maybe we do need another PlayStation 5 image, as this one is quite big. So let's see what else we have. Not a lot of contrast here. I do like the picture, but there's not a lot going on. Let's see. Let's see what else we have. So looking for these images can take some time. So don't feel bad if you spend quite some time on finding the perfect picture, because ultimately, if it gives you more people that click through, if it gives you a higher click-through rate, it's actually worth it, right? So let's see. This one is nice, but still very basic. Let's see. So the dimensions should be, well, not like this. This is too wide. It should be more like vertical. Can't really seem to find exactly what I'm looking for, even though I don't know exactly what I'm looking for. But yeah, you know what? Maybe we should use that first image that we had. Let's see. Black edition. Nope, I don't like that image. Let's see some related images to continue the search for the perfect image. Alright. Alright. This one is cool. This one is better. Yep, this is gonna be it. Alright. Let's save it, and we're gonna do this one more time. Edit photo, and we're gonna select this one right here. And then we're gonna play around with the adjust buttons once more to create that pop, that contrast, whatever you wanna call it. I like to call it pop. So the brightness on this one can go down a little bit. Contrast up and saturation up quite a bit. Alright, and the blur in the minus, just a little bit to make it a little bit more sharp. Alright, this looks good. PS5 Sweep 2. Let's download this, and then we're gonna try again, see if these dimensions are a little bit better. Sure, that works. All right, let's work on this text. Stand a chance to win a PlayStation 5. All right, congratulations. We give a limited number of people in your area the chance to get in this giveaway participation in a short survey. Let's see. I'm figuring out. Whoops. My bad. Let's just do it this way. All right. You have been pre-selected for a PlayStation 5. To claim your prize, please answer. To claim your prize, please answer 3 questions below. Question 1 of 3. Do you live in Australia? So we could change this in, do you live in the United States? But let's change it up. Which console do you prefer? And then the answers are going to be PlayStation 5, or what is the newest Xbox called again? That is the new Xbox Series X. Let's see. Xbox Series, whoops. My bad. Let's roll back. Alright, we have to exit it for just a minute. I think I broke it. Alright, let's go back into it. Right here. Alright. Which console do you prefer? Xbox Series X. Alright. Should there be a space in here? I'm not quite sure. Let's just do it. Alright. Which console do you prefer? PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X? Alright. Do you own a PlayStation console? Yes or no? And then what's your favorite type of game? And then we have sports, we have RPG, role-playing games, shooters, or battle royale, whatever. All right, perfect. And as soon as they have answered the last question, that's the point where they will get redirected to the offer page, which we saw before, which is this one right here. So it is another short quiz, which might not be the ideal way to go from quiz to quiz, but we made sure that the questions are quite different than the one on the offer page. So I think we should be in the clear here, and this might be a very nice flow. So that's going to be it for this video, but of course, as usual, there is more to come, so stay tuned, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.